Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita, and in today's video we are trying to understand how safe it is to breastfeed one's child while mother is sick, if she's having sore throat, fever, cough, or cold. Doctors worldwide advise to continue to breastfeed your child even when you are sick. These common illnesses will not cause any trouble to your child. You can continue to breastfeed following few tips and few safety things. And even during COVID, if you remember, at the peak of COVID, doctors used to say, please continue to breastfeed your child by following certain protocols of wearing mask and certain hygiene things. And these are very simple concerns, right? So you must remember that your baby gets those antibodies to fight that infection from your breast milk. There is nothing more beneficial than that for your child at that time. Now, if you have got infection from some place, your baby would also have got it from that place. Maybe, may not be, or even if you are passing it, it can get a little milder. And also, on the other hand, when you are giving breast milk, then it is much safer for your child. Reasons why you shouldn't stop breastfeeding your baby. At first, as we already discussed, your body is passing on those antibodies to your child through breast milk. Second thing, for the shortest duration, if you stop giving breast milk and go ahead with some alternatives like formula milk, many Indians also offer cow's milk very easily because they cannot afford formula milk. At that time, your baby's digestive tract has to get adjusted, the taste will vary, the baby may take it or may not take it, or can get fuzzy, irritated. For the shortest duration, why do you need this? And on the other hand, baby may even get weakened mentally, missing mother, missing the breast milk, the breast which used to be so comforting. So we don't want that. And your breast milk supply can get hampered if you do not continuously feed your child. And you're already sick. It can worsen if you do not feed. Engorged breasts, blocked milk dust, mastitis, all this can happen when you stop breast milk suddenly. And one wouldn't want that, right? Think about it. Yes, on the other hand, next question is, what if I'm taking medication? Simple antibiotics or paracetamol, ibuprofen, all these things are safe, breastfeeding friendly. You still can take advice of your doctor and continue to breastfeed. On the other hand, remember, these are common illnesses: sore throat, fever, cough and cold. We do not go to doctor for that. We take care of ourselves, right? We drink turmeric milk, we take certain kashaya, we drink rasam, we take steam. All this can really help us in get over it. And we adults are actually not advised to take medicines immediately. Even for kids, it is said during fever, allow them to fight. It is a natural phenomenon to cure yourself internally. So please wait. That's what I would say. Certain things you'll have to keep in mind while you're breastfeeding your child when you are suffering from cough, cold, or fever. At first, remember to take bath on a regular basis. Do not break that routine and change your clothes. Wear fresh clothes. I'm sorry to bring this point because at most Indian houses I have seen, they will advise not to stress yourself by taking bath. Please sleep, please rest is what advised. No, you will carry and multiply the infection and spread it to everybody. Please take bath. Next thing, every time before taking baby to breastfeed, wash your hands. Then is, keep your face away from your child. Do not have face-to-face contact. Ensure to have a handkerchief or a tissue whenever you cough or sneeze. And lastly, avoid kissing your child for a while, and this should take care of it. And remember, you are already sick, and do not worry, do not carry the guilt of not feeding your child. You can continue to feed because it is okay. when you have common illnesses, as worldwide doctors recommend to continue. On the other hand, if you're suffering from some major illness and you are hospitalized, if you are on a medication which is breastfeeding friendly, you can breast pump and send it across to your child, or somebody can get the baby if it is safe. Please talk to your doctor. And if it is high dosage or you're not in a condition to feed your child, please do not fret, do not stress a lot. If you come back healthy, nothing like it for your child, right? So focus on your health, focus on your progress, how you can take medication, how you can follow what the doctor is saying, and get well soon and come back. We mothers worry a lot, stress a lot, and not all the time we can prioritize our babies. We need to be healthy and safe and sound to take care of them. And on the other hand, while I talk too much about breastfeeding, I also want to ensure that nobody is shaming any mother who cannot breastfeed her child. She may have tried breastfeeding, she may have some problem, or she is not willing to breastfeed for certain reasons. We can only talk and spread the world some positivity about breastfeeding, but never shame. We women should never ever bring that guilt in any mom. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you got some knowledge through this video. Please consult your doctor for further queries that you have, and you can also post in comments. If we are aware of it, we shall always help you with it. Thank you again. Bye bye.